Hi, this is Ian Lamont from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to be talking about what to do if you think your Yahoo Mail account has been hacked. If this video helps, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. So this is my Yahoo email account, and actually the story I'm about to tell you relates to a relative's Yahoo email account that did get hacked. And the first sign that there was something weird was I started getting messages from this relative that were very atypical, and it looked kind of funny. So I went over to look at their email account, and what I did is I went to the sent folder in the Yahoo Mail to see if this person had been sending those messages, and I couldn't see those weird messages. So I thought, well, maybe this person is spoofing the relative. They don't have access to the account. But later I determined actually it was a hack, and this is what you need to do. So first thing to do, if you go to your first of all, make sure you can get in. So log into your account and then do this, where it says your name. Click on Account Info, and then you'll be able to select from one of these tabs over here. And the one you want, the first one to check out, is Recent Activity. So Recent Activity actually shows where you have been checking your email from. And I can see just by looking at this that this is correct. Yes, I'm using Firefox on Windows and also on Mac OS. This is the town that I live in. This is correct. If I saw another entry for the browser that says, oh, someone is using Windows, but they're located in France or they're located in Indonesia, that's a sign that that's not me, because I haven't been to those countries in a long, long time. So somebody actually did hack in. So that's one thing to look out for. Also take a look at see the apps that are connected to your account, because sometimes the hacker may add a certain type of application that works with Yahoo. Flickr is one of them. If you do not recognize that particular app, you can just click remove, and that will bring it down. The other thing that you might see are signs that the hacker has been messing around with the connected email accounts that you might have. So review that as well. But you're not done. So that's part of it. So let's say that you looked at this and you're like, well, this seems okay. I can't see where this person's logging in from, but you still think you've been hacked. Go to the tab that says Account Security. So I'm going to click on that right now and see what happens. Okay. Usually you're prompted to log in, but then you'll come to this page, and there's a couple things that you may see. First one is one issue found. So let's fix the security concerns to improve your account health. You can click through them and see what they are, and usually what they do is they relate to these items right here. The most important one is password. If you're at all suspicious that your password has been used by somebody else, either in your town or somewhere, or by somebody else, change it right away. Get in there and do it right away, because once you do it, then whoever's using your password, they won't be able to get into your account anymore. So you click on change password and do it. And by the way, I just noticed that I haven't changed my password in a long time. I should do that anyways. Yes, it's a pain in the neck because remembering passwords is not fun, but it's really important to do that, because losing your access to your Yahoo account, or maybe even friends and relatives getting scammed by the scammer who's using your email account, that's even worse than having to deal with a new password. And also remember, when you change your password, I'm using the browser version of Yahoo Mail. You have to change it on your phone too if you're accessing the email account from your phone. The next thing is two-step verification. This is really important. Enhance account security and block fraudulent access by turning on two-step verification. Turn it on. 2SV, that's what Yahoo calls it. You may also see the term 2FA, which stands for two-factor authentication. It means the same thing. And basically what it means is when someone tries to log into your Yahoo account, in addition to prompting you for the password, it will send a text message to the registered telephone numbers you have with the account just to make sure it's you. So you'll be texted a code from Yahoo Mail, and then you can use that code when you're logging in just to verify that it's you. And you can see down here I have some recovery phone numbers. These are both legitimate as well as recovery emails. That's another step you should take. Make sure the recovery emails, first of all, they're accurate, and then also they belong to you, because if they belong to somebody else, you know that someone else has been messing around. Same with the recovery phone numbers. If you see an unfamiliar number here, edit it and delete it, and then add your own phone number, and then go back up to turn on 2SV, two-factor authentication, just so the next time that you log in, you'll be sent a text to your telephone so they can verify that it's you. I use this with a lot of services. It's kind of a pain, but actually it gives me a peace of mind because I know that my account is better protected. This app password thing, Gmail uses something, Facebook uses something similar. I'm not sure if Gmail does as well, but it's kind of a pain in the neck, so I don't really like to use that particular one. So I really like two-step verification, and then also remember to update your password. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me on YouTube. Also, if you go to in30minutes.com, you can see the many guides that we have related to technology, related to genealogy, related to Social Security, related to basically living in a modern world. This is Ian Lamont, founder of In 30 Minutes Guides. Thank you so much for watching.